Hi, second grade. Today we're going to be working on our opinions cycle 2 writing. You need your blue writing folder and you need all your work that you've been doing for cycle 2. I'm also going to make sure that I have with me my colored pencils. You could also use markers, crayons to make sure I organize my paragraph to make sure I have all the parts. So if you need to pause the video to get those slides, get it now. So today we're working on lesson 6, concluding sentence. Our objective today is I can write a concluding sentence for an opinion paragraph. I'm going to put a check right here to show that I'm getting that done. So our concluding sentence work is on page 21. And as you can see, I have little post-it notes on here because I've already done it before. So you're going to do what I do, but for your paragraph. We're working on concluding sentences. It says it at the top. And remember, concluding sentence is the last thing your readers are going to read in your paragraph. It's the last thing you're going to say. So you want to make sure you end strong and really remind them of why your opinion is so important. We have 4 different ways that we can write a concluding sentence. We can write a wish, an exclamation, a restatement of topic sentence, or a question. On this paper, we already have an example. If your topic sentence is, I think hiking is a great hobby. We have all these examples here to tell us. I'm going to show you mine, so that can be another example for you. And watch what I do to figure out which concluding sentence I'm going to pick. I'm going to turn back to my work on page 19. I first want to make sure that I reread my topic sentence to remind myself what my paragraph is about. Cattown is the first place you should go to adopt a cat. Now, after I read that, I filled out each one of these categories. Okay, so for my wish, that matches my topic sentence, I wrote, I hope you will visit Cattown soon. For my exclamation, I wrote, now go make an appointment at Cattown. Remember, an exclamation is showing it's like exciting. It's like I'm trying to get them to do it right away. And then for the restatement of the topic sentence, this is just another way to write your topic sentence again. So it's kind of like I'm saying the same thing I said in the beginning, but just saying it a second time. So I wrote it a different way. I said, Cattown is a great place to visit if you want to adopt a cat. Remember, my topic sentence was Cattown is the first place you should visit if you want to adopt a cat. So I just changed it just a little bit. And then a question ends in a question mark. You're asking them a question. My question I wrote for them is, who will you adopt from Cattown? So now that I've done this work, and you can pause the video and do this part too, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my work that I did on pages 19 and 20. I'm going to reread my topic sentence again. I'm going to read my reason 1, my examples, and remember, I'm going to do my updated example. And then I'm going to read my reason 2. I'm going to I'm going to read my updated examples and details for that. And then I'm going to think, which one of these is going to sound the best at the end of my paragraph? So I'm going to start. Cattown is the first place you should go to adopt a cat. They care about the cats. Many cats don't feel safe or happy in small cages at shelters. Cattown finds the cats who don't do well in cages and puts them in foster homes. They are also able to let cats roam freely in the play area. They are fun to visit. When you go to the cafe, you can play with the cats in a cozy area. They have strings, cat trees, and other toys you can use. They even have tasty coffee drinks you can sip while you play. Now I'm going to read these over and think. I hope you will visit Cattown soon. Now go make an appointment to Cattown. Cat Town is a great place to visit if you want to adopt a cat. Who will you adopt from Cat Town? I'm gonna think some think time. I might even go back and just like reread these over again to myself and think about it again. And, you know, I really think the way, and I got to think too, not just about what I want, but what's going to really capture my readers' attention. And I really think that my readers will really appreciate, I really kind of like this one here. Who will you adopt from Cat Town? Because I remember I'm trying to get the people who are interested in adopting a cat. So I think if I end in this question, I might get their attention. So I'm going to circle that one to show that's what I want to do. And I'm going to underline it in the orange to show that this is going to be my concluding sentence. Okay. So now what you're going to do, friends, is you're going to go back and read your topic sentence. And then you're going to fill out all of these sections on page 21. And then you're going to read your whole paragraph again. And what I mean by your whole paragraph, I mean the work you've done on pages 19 and 20. So read this over again and think to yourself, which one of these that you wrote will go best? Which one will get your reader's attention? Circle it, and then you can underline it in orange to show that that is the one you're going to pick. Okay, go ahead and get started.